everyone, Tom Swales here at tomswales.com. I'm going to show you a little trick if you're having difficulty with a single leg hip thrust and you can't feel that glute. I'm going to show you how to use 2 tennis balls on the opposite side to position the pelvis so that you get a proper posterior pelvic tilt on the leg that's actually doing the lift. So the idea is if you can at least position the upward leg into a better tilt, so if you fire up that hip flexor, potentially you'll get a greater contraction or more activation from that opposite hip because of that reciprocal hip drive. When you're running or sprinting or even walking, right hip flexor goes forward, left hip extensors go backwards. So if you can at least facilitate that opposite hip flexion a little bit more with purpose, then you can potentially feel that left glute. Give it a try, let me know how you think.